In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent and can remove access to your personal data in ClickUp. It's different from leaving or deleting a workspace, so make sure this is the action you really want. If there's anything you might need later, documents, tasks, or attachments, consider exporting or saving copies first. Start by opening your web browser and going to the ClickUp website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials so you land in your workspace or home screen. Everything we'll do happens inside the web app. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is typically your photo or your initials in a small circle. Click that icon to open your personal menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser isn't zoomed in too far and try expanding the window so the top bar is visible. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal account settings page. You'll see various sections for profile details, preferences, and security. We're heading to the area that manages irreversible actions, so proceed carefully from here. Scroll down the settings page until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. This area is intentionally highlighted because it contains options that can't be undone. Take a moment to read any notes or warnings you see there so you understand the impact of the action you're about to take. When you're ready, select the option to delete your account. ClickUp may display a confirmation message to make sure you really intend to proceed. You might be asked to confirm your decision, enter your password, or acknowledge what will happen to your data. Read each prompt closely and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you confirm, the deletion process will begin and your account will be removed according to ClickUp's policies. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you're part of any shared workspaces, be aware that your access will end after deletion, and items tied specifically to your personal account may no longer be available to you. If you have an active paid plan tied to your account, review your billing status beforehand to avoid unexpected charges. And that's it. You've navigated to your settings, found the danger zone, and deleted your ClickUp account. If the interface looks a little different on your end, it may be due to recent updates. Just look for your profile icon, open Settings, and locate Danger Zone. Thanks for watching, and take care.